to do today is just work out this new form on the bench press. Normally I do it with the elbows out, but then my shoulders been hurting a little bit, so I'm going to attempt to redo that form with the elbows in. Check it out. Let's see how it works. This should be preserving my shoulders a little more. Ready to go? Let's roll. Okay, elbows in, right? Yeah. Feels better. Feels better. Next step, 1 minute later. Hammer strength. Still on chest. Now what we're trying to do here is work out a set real quick for Painted Desert community. Let's go. Okay. Painted Desert set. Now rip this shit out. Second set. Hammer strength. Chest. Ball. Give it a shot, but it's gonna be a little bit tough, you know. But I'm gonna just give it a shot, make it happen. I got what's this, 225?
You know me. Listen. You know I ride for my motherfucking niggas. Most likely I'ma die with my finger on the trigger. They tell me don't get high, not to try to make a living. I tell them I'm a hustler, I'd rather make a killing. My eyes get so wide as it rides in the skillet. I let my bitch bag it if she's stealing, I'm a killer. I bulletproof the ride, now I feel like I'm a dealers. And fuck your hospital, Young Money, we the illest. And I ain't gotta lie when I tell you I'm the illest. My flow is nasty, like CY Phyllis. Self-made G and them bitches know the business. Relying on rap, but in the kitchen I'm a chemist. And when I was 5, my favorite movie was The Gremlins. Ain't got shit to do with this, but I just thought that I should mention. You looking for divine and a little intervention. And them birds don't fly without my permission. I'm probably in the sky, flying with the fishes, or maybe in the ocean. ocean, swimming with the pigeons. See, my world is different, like Dwayne Wayne. And if you want trouble, bitch, I want the same thing. And you know that I'ma ride with my motherfucking niggas. Most likely I'ma die with my finger on the trigger. Don't worry about mine, I'ma grind till I get it. And tell all of my niggas that the sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. And tell all of my niggas that the sky is the limit. Cause the sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. And if you look high, you see that I'm gonna be in it. The sky is the limit. Buck 10 in the coupe and your bitch love it. Switching lanes faster than she switch subjects. Tell her bitch don't talk to me. And if you're talking to them niggas, don't talk for free. And I hate when the niggas say talk is cheap. Cause I'm the type to let money talk for me. My flow is art unique. My flow can part a sea. The only thing on the mind of a shark is eat. By any means, and you just sardines. I got the 40 cal tucked in my PRPs. What do you expect? I'm from New Orleans. The majority of my city is riders. They trying to make a brand new map without us. But the tourists come down and spend too many dollars. And no matter how you change it, it'll still be ours. And I'ma ride with my motherfucking niggas. Most likely I'ma die with my finger on the trigger. Don't worry about mine, I'ma grind till I get it. And tell all of my niggas that the sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. And I'ma tell all of my niggas that the sky is the limit. Because the sky is the limit. Yeah, the sky is the limit. And if you look up high, you see that I'm gonna be in it. Cause the sky is the limit. And you don't wanna fuck with a soldier. Use your head up, I take it off your shoulder. Burn up in your house and shoot everyone that's sitting on the living room sofa. That's fucked up. And you don't wanna fuck with a soldier. Use your head up, I take it off your shoulder. Mail it to your moms with a dozen of roses. Now that's fucked up. And I'm a G, and you ain't gotta know the alphabet to see. I know my whole city is depending on me, and I forget a lot of shit, but I cannot forget the streets. So you know that I'ma ride with my motherfucking niggas. Most likely I'ma die with my finger on the trigger. Don't worry about mine, I'ma...
That's it, buddy. 2 hammer strengths, 1 flat bench on the flies. Four, 6, 10 flies.
limit. I tell them I'm a hustler and I gotta make a killing, cause the sky's the limit. Hands up in the air because the sky's the limit. Can you see me up there? The sky is the limit. The sky is the
limit. 3 down, 1 to go. So she's already got the flat bench ready for dumbbells. Warm that up next. I think the next exercise will be done with this bad boy. All folks. These guys from Governor Lemus. Beautiful wife. Beautiful life. Getting greedy today. Real greedy with it. Good. Superset. Superset of queen. Bowl crushers, I'll make them about 10 bowl crushers, and then do some chest bench. and then roll to flies right after that. Pretty much all day, every day basis.
coming.